Are you listening? Damn.
Hey guys, we're in Tokyo!
Yo.
This is our first day, but we got here last night. We didn't even record because all we saw was TGI Fridays, and yeah, we ate.
True.
A lot.
True.
So now we're going to Harajuku today, so come along.
Shopping.
Let's go. What'd you say?
Nope, not doing it again.
What'd you say?
I'm too fat, apparently, for Japan.
Got me some stuff. You mad? You mad, y'all? You mad? Are you mad?
You know how we do it.
Ew. You mad?
I'm buying your own stuff now.
Have your wallet. I'm just kidding. Ready to go right now.
This is nice. Style is getting real weird. Wear that jacket tomorrow. We need the go-karts. I just zip it up. Oh, no, I'll be in a costume. I'll be Princess Peach.
Don't. I don't want. You was already here, so I think you should do someone else.
Ooh, I could be Bowser.
Yeah. We're doing that tomorrow.
Yeah. With the... Did you want to go see the buildings today?
Oh, I guess we can, because they said go at night.
Alright, we got time. We got plenty of time.
We walked pretty far today.
Oh, where's the bags? Over there. Off-white. Sick nasty. It was heavy. You don't like that?
Nasty.
Hella nice.
Fire. I'm using all this other stuff.
Man, so old. Fire. Sick nasty.
ありがとうございます。
Thanks so much.
Dumb.
It's the go-to spot.
Sublime.
Oh yeah, Sublime, yeah.
And this is our ASAP Bali.
ASAP, yup. That's sick, man.
And this is world famous
Kevin,
Kevin Bala.
That's cool.
That is sick.
Y'all have fun.
Track maker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
Oh, okay, he make tracks like
yeah,
that.
making for ASAP Rocky, Akon, many hip hop artists.
Awesome.
Man, this right here.
Woo. Thank you. don't run in them.
No, what did you
Are they
say?
recording? Those are the most comfortable shoes I've ever tried on.
Oh, that's sick. Do you have a... You got me dancing when?
What shoe you trying to get those? What do you say? Fire. Those are fire. He's been saying that all day.
Fire.
These are fire. What else did you say?
Hella.
Sick. These are sick.
Sick, nasty.
Sick fire.
I want the yellow ones of
Sick
these.
nasty.
OBJ, Odell Beckham. He made some of these. They're like yellow or whatever. They're really sick.
Hopefully they have your size.
I doubt it. I already got my mind set that they never have my size in Tokyo. I ain't even that big of a dude. I'm only 6 feet tall, wearing 11 and a half. They ain't never got it.
And they have a lot of shoes that we can't get in the States. And so it's kind of like, damn, we're here, but we can't even get them.
Yep. Yep. They got the wheats in here and everything.
Let me show y'all what I want. Come along. Simpson.
No, they're not.
Says the most bigger size is 8.
Told you. Yeah.
Aww.
All right, thank you.
What was the biggest size? You crying, man? The biggest size was an 8.
Like how? All these tall people around here. This is bullshit.
I'm sorry, baby. I'll turn it off. Hold on, round 2.
One more time.
Let me see. Round 2.
One says
What do I do?
Platform 2. Hopefully we don't get packed like that. Getting sleepy. Getting sleepy.
Where we going?
Skytree.
Hey, hey.
I don't know.
What you say?
Don't know if I can do this.
Oh my gosh. You can do it, baby. Don't look up. You got it. Don't shake your head. You got it.
マスターみたいに10分かけてじっくり入れても家では絶対効果が出ないんですよ。やるなだろう。
Tokyo Skytree.
What's the point in going that high?
To see, this is the second tallest building in the world. We can't come here and not do it, baby. You remember? I was crying because I didn't want to do the tigers in Thailand. What you say? You gotta do it. You can't come here and not do it. So we doing this. We're doing it. You got this, baby. We're
There's
doing
no
it.
reason to be this high. Like,
Yes, it is. To see all of Tokyo.
Next up is the Tokyo Skytree Temple Deck, floor 350. Tokyo Skytree 展望デッキ、フロア358に到着いたします。
started popping.
It was so worth it. This view.
Oh my gosh, let's go. This is beautiful. It was worth it, right, babe?
Yeah.
You're not scared.
I'm not scared.
You see all of Tokyo.
Look, you see them playing soccer over there?
We're in the second tallest building in the world. That's something we could always say. Now we have to go to Dubai, right?
Yeah, we gotta go
Dubai
to the
next.
My thing is, imagine them building this and you being outside building this.
I wonder how long it took.
With the wind blowing, 'cause you know we're swaying with the wind too, to keep the balance of the building. Yeah, so it doesn't crumble and fall over. The taller you make the buildings, for architecture, you have to make sure it sways a certain amount to go with the wind.
Wow, I didn't know that. You're so smart.
Oh my God.
You're so smart.
Everybody knows that. Everybody knew that.
I'm just kidding.
See what people are doing. What you doing? What you doing? Where we staying at?
No, it tells you everything. We're in Shibuya.
Oh, that's the train station we came from over here. Korean.
Well, we were in Shibuya. We're not in Shibuya right now. Okay, here we go. The glass. He's doing it. He's conquering. Conquer that, baby. Conquer that fear. I'm not there yet. Look how far that is. That drop.
It curves down there.
Alright. That was Skytree. You did it! You did it! You conquered it. And you stepped on the glass before I even did. I was scared.
Wanted to get out the way.
I wanted to get out the way. Look at that view. Look at that view. It's beautiful. Alright guys, I'm about to leave.
Come here often? OGs, triple OGs.
Okay, he's corny.
Okay, look. So right now we're at the Yasukuni. I hope I'm saying that right. Probably messed that up. Yasukuni Shrine. Basically, it's a memorial that's dedicated to all those who have fallen in wartime.
Hey guys, well that was our Tokyo trip. My camera's about to die, so we're just gonna end the vlog here.
Alright guys.
You just saw Shibuya, that's where we are. We're standing over
Have a
it.
good time, babe.
Had a good time.
Alright guys. Peace.
Peace. We always have to go to Hard Rock to get a shirt. We got one in Thailand, now Tokyo. They have one in Fukuoka, but we haven't been there yet. Yeah, they are for girls.